Hey friends, so when I made part one of my what I ate growing up in Georgia, people went nuts when I said a banana and mayonnaise sandwich. Let me show you how I make it, and I promise you if you make it, you'll love it. I'm going to start with some store-bought bread. Yep, I usually make homemade, but for this sandwich and a tomato sandwich, nothing beats good old store-bought white bread. Like, it is just so soft. I'm going to start with putting Hellmann's mayonnaise on both bread slices. Yep, I said Hellmann's. I am not a Duke's fan. Oh, don't take my Southern card. I'm not a Duke's fan. I'm sorry. I was born and raised on Hellmann's. I don't like Duke's. Duke's doesn't have that kick, that tanginess that Hellmann's does. So I'm picky here. I'm just going to take some banana slices and slice them really thin and take some Lay's here, y'all. This is where it's going to get crazy. I take a handful, maybe just a small palmful of potato chips and crush them up, y'all. Oh my goodness. So good. Take that sandwich and give it a little bit of a smush. Get those chips and banana and mayonnaise in there together. Y'all, it is so good. Promise me that you'll try it. And if you do, you'll come back and tell me how delicious it was. I promise it's not disgusting. It just works, y'all. Here it is. I hope you enjoy.